We have discussed till circuit breaker. Today we will discuss about something about protection against over voltage and lightning. First of all, we should know what is a voltage surge. A sudden rise in voltage for a short duration is known as a voltage surge or transient voltage. I have already told you what is transient. Transient means whatever which is very high in magnitude and short in duration. So voltage surge means a sudden rise in voltage for short duration. If magnitude is high and duration is less, then it is known as voltage surge. Then there are so many causes of over voltage. First of all, we will study what are the causes. There are two types of causes mainly. One is internal causes and second is external causes. Internal causes are following four types. One is switching surges, insulation failure, arcing ground, and resonance. Then, what are the switching surges? You know, switching surges means whenever the surge occur, whenever you are switching some device, like you are making the load on or making off the load. At that time, there is a transient phenomena occurs. This is known as switching surges. Example of case of opening a line and case of loaded line. And I have already told in circuit breaker the phenomena like current chopping, which is also a switching surge. Then second is insulation failure. The most common case of insulation failure in power system is the grounding of conductor. Whenever a conductor touches the ground, insulation failure occurs. This is known as insulation failure. Third is arcing ground. This is a phenomenon of intermittent arc taking place in line to ground fault, like LG fault. Whenever LG fault occurs, there is a phenomena like arcing ground. This is a example of internal of over voltage. Now, fourth case is the resonance. You know what is resonance? Resonance in an electrical system occurs when inductive reactance of circuit becomes equal to capacitive reactance. So in case of resonance also there is a increase in voltage, but also known as over voltage. Now external causes. What are the external causes? External causes are like lightning. It is the only cause of over voltage of external cause. What is lightning? An electric discharge between the cloud and earth, between the clouds or between the charge center of an same cloud is known as lightning. Look, an electric discharge between cloud and earth. If a discharge occurs between cloud to earth or cloud to cloud,